Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change graphic settings in your EA Sports FC24. So first of all, you have to go to the left upper corner to open the settings. Next, you have to go for settings and open the game settings. And right here we have to go for the right side where we can find the display configuration. And first we can change the resolution. Below we can find the display mode. We can also set the refresh rate, the frame rate lock. There's also the VSync. Above we got the dynamic resolution scale. That's also the cutscenes quality. Some kind of the strand based hair, and probably the most useful rendering quality, grass quality, and the crowd quality. So here, by going to the left or the right, you can set like low, ultra, or high settings. And if you want to change, save the changes, just click apply. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.